Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we're diving into a very important type of document, the J-1 Visa Invitation Letter. This is a formal letter issued by a US institution or organization to invite a participant from another country to join a research, teaching, or internship program under the J-1 Exchange Visitor category. Now, if you're a university department, a research supervisor, or an international coordinator tasked with writing one of these, this video is for you. We'll walk through the entire template step by step, explain what to include in each section, why it matters, and how to maintain the right tone. Let's get started. Host institution letterhead and contact information. We begin the letter with the header of the host institution. This is essential for formality and legitimacy. You'll want to use official letterhead if possible, especially if you're representing a university or a recognized research institute. Beneath the letterhead, include the following: your department name, institution or organization name, full street address, city, state, and zip code, a valid email address where you can be reached, a phone number, ideally one tied to the department or your office. All of this information reinforces that this is a formal letter from a verified institution and adds credibility to the invitation. This part should look exactly like this: host institution letterhead if applicable, department name, institution or organization name, street address, city, state, zip code, United States, email address, phone number. Make sure these are current and accurate. Typos here can delay or invalidate the application. Date of writing. After the contact details, include the date you're writing the letter. This is not just a formality. It tells the consulate that the invitation is current and relevant. Place the date on a separate line right after the header. Use a formal format like this. Date. Example, August 15th, 2025. This helps track the document's validity and ensures it's considered up to date when reviewed by visa officers. Recipient details. The consular officer. Next, we address the letter to the appropriate authority, the consular officer at the US embassy or consulate where the visitor will apply. This part should include the title, the consular officer, the specific US embassy or consulate name, the embassy's address, the city and country where the application will be submitted. Keep it formal and structured to show respect and professionalism. Subject line. Why you're writing the letter. The subject line tells the reader the exact purpose of the letter. For this type of document, you should write: subject, invitation for J-1 exchange visitor, visitor's full name. This gives immediate clarity on what the letter concerns and whom it is about. Be sure to include the visitor's full legal name exactly as it appears on their passport. Salutation. Now we begin the body of the letter. We start with a formal greeting. Dear Sir or Madam. This is the standard opening when writing to a visa officer. It keeps the tone respectful and neutral, especially when the recipient's name is unknown. Opening paragraph. Extending the invitation. This first paragraph is all about issuing the actual invitation and setting the foundation for the rest of the letter. It should clearly state the visitor's full name, their country of citizenship, that you're inviting them as part of a J-1 exchange visitor program, the name of your institution or organization, the address where the program is based, the exact dates of the visit. Here's how it should sound. I am pleased to extend an official invitation to visitor's full name, a citizen of visitor's country, to participate in our J-1 exchange visitor program at institution or organization name, located at institution address, from start date to end date. This paragraph establishes the context of the invitation and assures the consular officer that the visit is organized, scheduled, and time-bound. Second paragraph. Nature and purpose of the program. Now we dive into what the visitor will actually be doing. This part of the letter is crucial because it aligns the visitor's purpose with the guidelines of the J-1 program. You must explain the nature of the program, research, training, teaching, or internship. What kind of work or collaboration will be involved? Who will supervise the visitor? How the goals match the mission of cultural and educational exchange. For example, visitor's name has been accepted into our research or training or teaching or internship program, where he or she or they will be engaged in briefly described purpose or nature of the program. e.g., conducting collaborative research on environmental science or participating in a teaching internship. The program will be supervised by supervisor's name and title, and the goals align with the Department of State's mission for mutual educational and cultural exchange. This shows that the invitation is purposeful, not casual, and meets J1 guidelines. Third paragraph, institutional support and compliance. In this paragraph, you're reassuring the consulate that the visitor will be supported throughout the program and that your institution is aware of its responsibilities. It's important to mention that the institution will provide guidance and support, that the program will follow all official J1 visa regulations, that the visitor will have access to all necessary resources. Here's the suggested structure. We confirm that visitor's name will receive appropriate support, including guidance throughout the program, and that the institution will ensure compliance with the responsibilities outlined in the J1 Exchange Visitor Program regulations. He or she or they will also have access to necessary facilities and resources to ensure a productive exchange experience. This helps build confidence in your institution's capacity to responsibly host the visitor. Supporting documents, proof and verification. Now we let the visa officer know what documents are attached to the letter to support the visitor's application. These may include the DS 2019 form, the core document for J1 visa applications, CVIS confirmation, any other relevant paperwork. For example, attached are supporting documents including the Form DS-2019, which has been issued through SEVIS, Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, outlining all relevant details of this exchange. The supporting documents prove that this invitation is genuine, approved through the proper channels, and compliant with federal regulations. Request and offer to provide further details. This is the closing paragraph before the signature. It's polite and professional. You're requesting that the visa officer approve the visitor's application and offering to assist further if needed. We respectfully request that you consider visitor's name's application for the J1 Exchange Visitor Visa. Should you require further information, please do not hesitate to contact me directly. Keep this simple, clear, and cooperative. Closing and signature. We finish the letter with a formal closing and your full contact details. This includes, sincerely, your full name, your official title, the institution or organization name, your email address, your phone number, and your handwritten signature if you're submitting a printed copy. Like this, sincerely, your full name, your title, institution or organization name, email address, phone number, signature if printed. This formal conclusion reinforces your professionalism and ensures the visa officer has all the information needed to follow up if required. And that's it. You've now learned how to craft a professional, complete, and convincing J1 visa invitation letter that follows all the correct formatting and tone. Every section we covered, starting from the header and date to the subject line, main body, and closing, is essential to create a document that supports a smooth visa process. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future writing tutorials. And if you're currently drafting a visa invitation or facing any confusion about professional letters, drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Writing Practices. Take care and happy writing.